and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Lessons with Miss Fatma. Today we will be having our Saturday lesson. Walaalayaal kusoo dhawaada casharadeena. Maanta waxaan baranaynaa Bilaha Sanadka. Today we will be learning about months of the year. Forgive me for that lisp. Again, months of the year. Without further ado, let's get into the lesson. Walaalayaal, anigoo hadalkan igu badanin casharadeena aan galno. Marka aad ku cusub tahay, please do subscribe. A week is usbuuc. A month is bil. A day is maalin. And a year is sanad. Again, week usbuuc. Month bil. Day maalin. Year sanad. January Janaayo. January Janaayo. February Febraayo. February Febraayo. March Marso. March Marso. April Abril. April Abril. May Majo. May Majo. June June. June June. July Luglio. July Luglio. August Agosto. August Agosto. September September. September September. October October. October October. November November. November November. December December. December December.